Getting your money into the crypto space can sometimes be a little bit challenging. Today, we're talking about how to do it in a quick and easy way using Kado Money. So as always, let's get straight to it. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajahat, and as I just mentioned, sometimes getting your money into the crypto space on chain so that you can use it on all these different applications that we talk about all the time on the channel can be a little bit tricky. Sometimes getting your money off if you wanted to, buy some dollars or pounds and get some money back into your bank account. Again, that can be a little bit tricky, and there can be lots of different steps in order to do so. But today I wanted to show you a website called Kado Money. We've talked about it on the channel before, and that's because they've added a few new different options, and I thought let's just talk through them. So let's jump straight to it. How do you access it? Well, you can just go to kado.money and you'll kind of come to this home screen. Now you can see here that you can kind of instantly buy and sell crypto on board to Web3 in less than 5 minutes, and it really is that quick. If you've seen the previous videos on the channel where we talked about onboarding with UST, back in the day when Terra was still a thing, well, you would have seen that it only took about 90 seconds for money from your bank account to come and you to have UST in your wallet, and then you can basically do whatever you want in the world of DeFi. Well, a similar thing here. Again, all you need to do is go to this platform. You have to create an account. And once you do so, you can literally use any of these Visa, MasterCard, all these other different transfer methods to essentially use your currencies. It's USD, or whether it's Canadian dollars, British pounds, euros, the pesos from Mexico or Colombia. You've got lots of different options there, 6 different currencies, and I'm sure with time they're going to expand that if your currency is not available there. And it's as simple as just entering, let's say you've got $100 in your bank account and you wanted to buy some USDC, well, you can simply do that. And it's not just USDC, you can buy Tether, you can buy Solana, Ethereum, AVAX, and I think that's really, really interesting. Now, one of the really interesting things is that the different networks that are available. You've got Terra, Solana, Osmosis, Kujira, Juno, Ethereum, and Avalanche. And you might think, where are these different networks come from? It's really interesting. And I think it's really good that we've got the Cosmos ecosystem kind of integrated in here. And you can see that generally most of these are like 10 minutes or less. So I think that's really interesting. If I wanted to put some funds directly onto the Kujira network, again, I can do so in the same way. And yeah, that's pretty awesome. That is pretty cool. Of course, you've got Solana as well. If I wanted to do Avalanche, I can go to the AVAX network, USDT. USDT is only on Ethereum at the moment, but USDC, you've got all these other networks. And yeah, that's really cool. Especially because getting your funds onto the Juno or the Kujira network beforehand might have been a little bit more tricky. You probably would have had to go onto a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance, buy some funds there, then send them to your MetaMask on the Ethereum or Binance network or the AVAX network, and then you would have had to bridge them over to the Kujira network. You're doing these transfers 2-3 times, has a lot of fees. Over here, the fees are actually quite cheap. And let's have a look at them. It is a base $2 fee, and kind of whatever the network fee is. So for Kujira is about $1.70, and it doesn't matter how much, whether it's $100, $1,000, $10,000, it is the same every time. So I think that's pretty good. I believe that this difference is due to slippage. There you go, because we're getting XLR wrapped USDC. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty cool. It's as simple as that, really. In terms of send to, all you have to do is put an address in there, or you can send to your Web3 wallet. So you've got the MetaMask wallet, your Phantom wallet for the Solana network, and your Kepler wallet for a lot of the Cosmos ecosystem. So that's pretty cool. And then lastly, you've got pay with, and then you've got your credit card, bank transfer, wire transfer. Very, very easy. And again, this is kind of what the interface looks like when you do it. You kind of just connect with your website, with your wallet, sorry, and you can just, jump in straight to it. Now, a few things to be aware of. They do have, where is it? I don't know where it is exactly on here, but they do have some limits. Here we go, limits. So here you go, you can see the limits at the moment. So to begin with, you can't really do too much. It's only $500 per day. You do have to KYC as well. That is an important thing to be aware of. But yeah, so as you kind of use Kado more and more and more, you'll increase your limit. You'll go from tier 1 to tier 2 and eventually to tier 3. And I believe with time they will have other tiers as well, just like they did in the past, where you should be able to put in significantly more money. And so yeah, with the more you use it, the more you build up through the tiers. And yeah, that's pretty interesting. Now another aspect is they've got this business aspect. If you're looking to integrate this kind of widget into your website and kind of onboard users from all different countries, well, again, you can do so as well. And yeah, I think that's pretty cool. You can kind of get your own Kado widget directly on your website. People can use your website to basically get themselves crypto and get them straight into the DeFi world, and I think that's pretty cool. Very easy way to get your funds into the world of DeFi. So definitely think that this is one to check out. It's one that I've used beforehand and was very easy to use. So big well done to the Kado team for making this product. We need more products like this to get more people within the crypto space, within the DeFi space specifically. We've got a lot of people using Coinbase and Binance, but how many people do we have using these DeFi apps, these incredible applications that can really help change the world? So yeah, that's what I wanted to do today, just cover kind of Kado Money, how it works, etc. Perhaps I'll do some partnership videos with them in the future. I'll reach out to the team and maybe they'll respond to me, but let's see. That's what I've got for you today. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.